Electronics industry is one of the fastest growing industries in India, with a market share of around $71 billion. A major component of this industry is the home appliances and consumer electronics business, worth billions of dollars. There is a huge opportunity for skilled workforce in maintenance, repair, installation, and sales and service sector. LG Electronics, a major player in the home appliances and consumer electronics industry, understands this opportunity as part of their corporate social responsibility. LG Electronics India Customer Service Team has set up the LG Hope Technical Skill Academy in collaboration with Electronics Sector Skills Council of India (ESSCI) and National Small Industries Corporation to upskill Indian youths. This world-class academy is established at the NSIC Okhla campus in Delhi. The academy is conveniently located just 500 meters away from the Govindpuri Delhi metro station. It has 3 smart classrooms for an exceptional skill learning experience, an electronics lab and a home appliances lab where students are trained using the latest products from various consumer electronics brands. There is also a gas charging lab and an installation lab. For leisure period, there's multi-purpose hall for indoor games. The training lasts 3 months where highly qualified experienced trainers teach the young trainees how to install and repair electronic consumer products. The syllabus is designed so that even students from rural background or with limited English proficiency can easily understand the theory and practical aspects of the subject. The academy places special emphasis on hands-on training. The students are trained not just with modern equipment, but also with simulator frameworks created to provide training in dismantling, repairing, and installation. LG Hope Technical Skill Academy is transforming young talent into skilled technicians. Along with training, the academy also teaches soft skills, employability skills, yoga, and physical education for overall development. Every student is provided with study materials, uniforms, bags, lunch, and a locker for their personal belongings without any fees. Upon completing their training, students at LG Hope Technical Skills Academy receive an NCVET approved certificate from ESSCI, the Electronics Sector Skill Council of India. Additionally, the academy provides 100% placement assistance to successful candidates. By participating in these programs, young people are able to acquire new skills for the electronics industry that they can use to find better jobs and increase their earning potential. This not only provides a source of income for young people, but also helps to boost their confidence and self-esteem. The skills they acquire through the academy are valuable assets that they can use to find better jobs in the future and contribute to the economic growth of the country. This CSR is having a significant positive impact on the development of India's young workforce and is helping to make the country skill capital of the world. These efforts are positioning the country as a leader in the global economy and contributing to a brighter future for both individuals and the nation as a whole.